In this video, we're going to talk about the media library for your WordPress site. So on your dashboard, you should see a link on the left side that says media. When you mouse over it, you'll have two options or two links, one for library and the other is to add new media. Click on library. You'll be taken to the media library page where you can see all of the media and images that you have uploaded on your website so far. Now, to go ahead and add new media or add a new image, click on Add New. You have the option to either drag and drop the images here or select files to manually upload it. Let's go ahead and drag and drop the files. So I got two images from my desktop. I'm dropping them here on the screen. As you can see, it is being uploaded. There you go. We now have two new items in our media library. So once you're done, just click on the X here. So you can sort the things that you see in your media library. You can choose to see all items. You can just choose to see images, audio if you've uploaded any audio files, video, but since we don't have any yet, we don't see them yet. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.